Hey dosers, what's up and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the product rule and how we differentiate with the product rule. So let's get today's video. So if we have a term or a statement that encloses two different variables, so that means u is one variable and v is one variable. These are two different variables. And if we can't differentiate them without separating them, how would we differentiate? Well, that's where the product rule states that if you have two variables, let's call them u and v, you can write the differentiated version as v times u prime. So u prime is du over dt. Now, what does this mean? This means that it is u differentiated. So u differentiated is u prime. That's how we write it in mathematical terms. So v u prime plus v prime times u, and v prime is the differentiated version of v. Now, this is the product rule in general. Very simple, yes? Let's get right into solving some questions then. Okay, now, first thing that you have to do is you have to look for your u and your v when applying the product rule. So what could be our u and v over here? I want you to pause the video and have a go at trying to figure out what the u and v is. Okay, hopefully you've had a go. So this is our u, yeah? And this is our v. We cannot take anything else in general. We could expand these terms and normally differentiate, but that would be a long process, and you don't have that kind of time leniency in your IB exams. So traditionally, we just use the product rule. We cannot take x as u and 4 as v, and then x as u, x squared as u, and then 2x as v, because that would be very, very wrong to do in general. So what we have to do now is we have to find out the differentiated forms as stated in the product rule. So what I like to do is I like to write down what my and v prime is so it's easy to write. So my x squared, my x minus 4, my u, yeah, my u prime would just be 1 because x differentiated, negative 4 differentiated is just negative 0, is just 0. And then v prime would be x squared differentiated, which is 2x, and then plus 2x differentiated is 2. So u prime and v. Now we have to write it in terms. So the differentiated version, so let's call this y, is equal to y. So y prime, y differentiated, would be u prime, so 1, times by v, x squared plus 2x, yeah, plus v prime, so 2x plus 2, times by x minus 4, which is our u. So this right here is our u prime. This is our v. This is our v prime. And this is our original u. Now, I hope that makes sense. If not, please do go ahead and rewind and watch this again if you don't understand, because there is, again, homework on the next page waiting for you guys. So here's the homework. Please do go ahead and have a go. It's the exact same concept as the other one. I've been told that my homeworks that I've been setting have been a little bit hard for you guys. So please do go ahead and have a go at this. Hopefully you've understood today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow then. Take care. This is SK signing off.